Hello everyone. Now let us solve part B of the same question paper Rspl-1. Here 21st question. Check whether 6 raised to n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. So here I have written it. This is for 2 marks, so you have to write the whole thing. If number 6 raised to n for any n were to end with the digit 0, then it would be divisible by 5. That is, the prime factorization of 6 raised to n would contain the prime 5. This is not possible because 6 raised to n is having factor 2 into 3 raised to n. This is the main answer, but you have to put it all in this format. So here, this is the main keyword here. So the uniqueness of fundamental theorem of arithmetic guarantees that there are no other primes in the factorization of 6 other than 2 and 3. So there is no natural number n for 6 raised to n ends with the digits 0. Next question, 22nd. In a school playground, 3 sports in charge were sitting at position located by point ABC of coordinate axis. Verify whether these points form a vertices of an equilateral triangle. Some students might note down this is not an equilateral triangle, but still we have to work out and show it. Why not? See, this forms a 90 degree. So BC will be longest, but we have to show it that it is not equilateral triangle. So coordinates of B will be 0, 1. Coordinates of A will be 0, 3, and of C will be 2, 3, which I have written over here. So we will be using distance formula to find out this value, whether to prove it is equilateral triangle, we have to prove AB is equal to BC equal to CA. Let us see what values we will get for AB, BC and CA. So the coordinates I have written A equal to 0, 3, B 0, 1 and C as 2, 3. So when we calculate using, I have written one time using distance formula. So x2 minus A as 0, 3, x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 equal. So we get here AB as 2 units, BC we get it as 2 root 2, CA we get it as 2 units. So conclusion, AB is equal to CA but not equal to BC. So these all three sides are not equal. So it is not an equilateral triangle. So next question is of AP, here 23rd. Find 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So we have to find out A31, A11 is given as 38, A16 is 73. So here A11, A plus 10D, A plus n minus 1D, A16 is A plus 15D. So 38 given, A plus 10D and 73 16, A plus 15D. Solving equation 1 and 2, we will get here when we solve linear equation, subtracting equation 1 and 2. Here we get minus 5D is equal to minus 35. D is equal to minus and minus cancel. D equal to, we get 7. Now substituting value of D in equation 1. So after substituting D equal to 7, we get A plus 10, D equal to 38. 10 into 7, 70 transpose. So you get A equal to 38 minus 70, A equal to minus 32. We have to find out A31. So A plus 30D, A equal to minus 32 plus 30 into 7 minus 32 plus 210. So we get here plus 178. A31 therefore is equal to, next question. We will do even OR question. Which term of AP 38, 13, 18 is 78? So here the given question, an is 78, a is 3, d will be 8 minus 3, that is 5. Substitute 78, 3 and transposing 75, and then n minus 1. We have to find out here n. Which term? How many terms means we have to find out n. So 75 divided by 5 equal to n minus 1. 15 is equal to n minus 1. N equal to 15 plus 1. So therefore n equal to 16. So the number of terms, that is 16th term, therefore 16th term will be 78. Next question, 24th. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter from a point 7 centimeter away from its center. Construct a pair of tangent to the center. I have made a separate video on construction, for which I'll put it in a description box. The link I'll be putting. Do check in over there. This type of sum I have done it. Next question is trigonometry. In this question, if 3x is cosec theta and 3 by x is cot theta, find the value of 3x square minus 1 by x square. So here what we'll do, we'll start with the question first. In this case, I will put it as 3x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. We'll have to find value. From here, we'll bring this value x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. For that, we will add once 3x plus 3 by x is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. We'll take common out because we want only x plus 1 by x cosec theta plus cot theta. So x plus 1 by x will be cosec theta plus cot theta divided by 3. Bring this 3 down. Same way we will subtract 3x minus this one. So RHS cosec theta minus 3 by x, sorry, cot theta. 3 by x is cot theta. So again take 3 common out. 1 by x. So cosec theta minus cot theta. So we get here x minus 1 by x is equal to, bring this down, minus cot theta divided by 3. Make this as equation 1 and 2. Substituting these two values, equation 1 and 2, over here in the question. To find value, we have 3x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. So I'll keep this 3 as it is. This is cosec theta plus cot theta divided by 3, and this is cosec theta minus cot theta divided by 3. So this is in multiplication. You can cancel this 1, 3. So we will get here 1 by 3. We are going to find value of this. So cosec theta plus cot theta, cosec theta minus cot theta, we will get cosec square theta minus cot square theta, which is, this is equal to 1. So answer here we will get 1 by 3. So value of this will be 1 by 3. Next one is our question. We will do this also. If secant theta plus tan theta is m and secant theta minus tan theta is n, find value of square root of mn. This is for 2 marks, simple thing. We see here question will help us what to do next. M into n. So we'll take m into n plus tan theta, then secant theta minus tan theta. So what is this? Secant square theta minus tan square theta, that is 1. M into n is 1. So square root of mn, that is square root of 1, will be 1. Next question, that is 26th question. Here in triangle ADE, angle ABC, AD is equal to angle B, that is D is equal to B. Prove that triangle AD is similar to ABC, the small triangle to the big one. Then all this AD is given 7.5, AB is given 13.2, BC is given 4.4, and then find DE. So for this type of sum, the clue lies over here. See here, ADE is similar to ABE. So we will pull out the triangles wherein A is equal to A corresponding, angle D will be equal to angle B corresponding angle, angle E will be equal to angle C. See here, I have written in this case. So these are the given things written. I have pulled out this triangle, the two triangles which we have to prove they are similar. First I have written here, drawn this one. So ACB I draw as it is, how it is in the figure, and similar to that I draw one more small triangle. Now naming of this triangle I'll go with this. See, ABC, ABC like this. So ADC, DE I will come over here. So you just take down this trick, it will help you to solve any two triangles similar and the corresponding side proportional. Now coming on with the first part, that is to prove these triangles are similar, double A criteria will be using, that is angle D is equal to B, that is given over here, and angle A is equal to angle A, which is common angle for both the triangle. Angle A is equal to angle A, so we will take double A criteria. So this is given, ADE equal to this triangle B and angle A equal to angle A, common angle, just now I showed you. So by double A criteria they are similar. Now we have to find DE, which sides to take as, if you go with the figure given in the question, if you take the corresponding side according to this one, you will go wrong. So I have given you the trick to how to pull out the triangle. Now it will be easy for us. We have to find out DE. So given data is on AD and AB. So AD divided by AB is equal to DE by BC. DE by BC. Check out, I have written over here. Now substitute, AD here is 7.5, AB is 13.2, equal to DE we have to find out, divided by BC is 4.4. I hope you all understood until here. This is the main part. Later on, DE is equal to 7.5 into 4.4 divided by 13.2. We can see 132 and 44 are the multiples of 11. So I will remove the point in both. Those who have problem with the decimal cancellation, you can do after 0.1 digit, after 0.1 digit. So both you can make it 44 by 132. It's as good as multiplying 10 over both. So 11 4 times, 11 1 and then 2. 4 1 time, 3, then we have 2.5. So therefore DE is equal to 2.5 centimeter. 27th question. A sweet shopkeeper prepares 396 gulab jamuns and 342 rasagullas. He packs them into container. Each container consists of either gulab jamun or rasgulla, but have equal number of pieces. Find the number of pieces he should put in each container so that number of containers are less. So it should be equal number. So here we have to do HCF, the least number. So how do we know whether we have to do HCF or, if at all I do LCM, the number will exceed, it will be more than the given number. So there is no question of doing LCM because that much gulab jamun and rasgulla do not exist at all, the LCM number. So we will have to go for HCF and this least will be your keyword. So number of gulab jamun 396 and rasgulla 342. So by prime factorization we get 2 square into 3 square into 11 for factors, and this one it is 342, it is 2 into 3 square into 19. So HCF here will be, which is common, 2 and 2 common, lower degree we have to take. So this is 2. Here 3 square common is 3 square. So it will be 9 into 2, that is 18. So there should be least number of rasgulla or gulab jamun should be 18 in a box. Now for the next question, solve the equations graphically. So 2x plus y equal to 2, 2y minus x equal to 4, linear equation. What is the area of the triangle formed by the two lines and line y equal to 0? So the two equations here are 2x plus y equal to 2. I have solved it for y equal to 2 minus 2x. Give the value of x here, x I have taken 0, so we will get y as 2. By substituting, you can take the points of your choice. Minimum 3 points are required. And then here the second one, 2y minus x equal to 4. So here for me x is convenient. So x I'll send this side and 4 over here. So x we will get 2y minus 4. So here we will be substituting. We will be giving our values of y. Equation will give the values of x. So y, if I take it here as 0, then we will get minus 4 as x. Now the question asks us to find the area of the line y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means it is x-axis. So you need to check out, make a smart decision over here. See to that you take one point, such point where y will be 0 in this one. How this y will become 0, and in this also check out the point, at least you should take this point y equal to 0, then only it will intersect x-axis. So you will get easily triangle. So it will avoid confusion in the exam. So I've already drawn the graph over here for this plotted. So this is a line for 2x plus y equal to 2, and the point just now I have shown you. These 3 points I have drawn it and marked. I hope all know the plotting. Now we have to find the area of the triangle formed with line y equal to 0. Y is 0, then it is x-axis. So we will take here, we will take a, I'll name this as A, B and C. So area of triangle ABC will be, that is, if I take here half base into height, height here will be AO and base is BC into AO, origin O over here. So how much is BC? You can count it here. This one from here it is 4 units, and this side distance is scalar, so we will not take the negative value. Best way to do is count the number of boxes, 1 2 3 4 5. This side it is 1 and 2. So BC here is 5 and this AO is 2. Cancel. We get 5 square units. So this is the area with y equal to 0, line y equal to 0. Do write the scale, and you have to point out the coordinates and even show the line which equation it is. To get full marks, you have to show this detailing in the graph. Next question, 29th. Find the area of shaded region. They have given here OA, OC, OB and OD are all 14 centimeter. So let us see where the shading is. When we look in, this and this shading is similar, and here we have two semicircles. So in total the shaded region will be, this is a circle divided into four parts, so it is a quadrant. Area of the quadrant minus semicircle. So if we put here 2 times, see this and this are 2 times, 2 into area of quadrant minus semicircle plus area of 2 semicircles. Don't directly write area of circle. So we see only one circle here. So give the proper information here by saying area of 2 semicircle. Later the formula will sum up to be circle only. And one more thing, the radius of quadrant OC and OB will be 14, whereas the radius will be 14 by 2 of the semicircle will be 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. So I have written here area of shaded region will be 2 times area of quadrant minus area of semicircle and plus 2 times area of semicircle. So area of quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. This 2 I have put here because there are two similar figure, two quadrant like this, plus area of two semicircle. Now you can cancel here and we will get a circle thing. So when you put the radius here, I'll take pi common out. In this case, only pi because r of quadrant and semicircle both are not same. So I'll put 1 by 4 into, this is 14 into 14 minus, this radius is 7 into 7 divided by 2 plus, here we have pi, then this is the semicircle, so 7 into 7. Fine. So now we'll do the calculation here. 2 into this, I'll as of now keep it as pi only. So this will be 2 and this will be 7 and this is 7. So we get here 49 minus 49 by 2. So we'll make this LCM later. For now here also we get 49 pi. So continue. In this case we will get 2 into 2 pi. I'll take LCM here in this one. LCM here 2 into 49 will be 98. So 98 minus 49 divided by 2 plus 49 pi. So we can make 22 by 7 and cancel also. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 49 by 2, 98 minus this one, plus 49 into 22 divided by 7. So now you can cancel here 7 times. Remember Bodmer's rule, 2 and 2 cancel, this and this cancel, 7 over here. So what will be your final answer in this case? 154, 22 into 7 plus 7 into 22, 154. So 308 centimeter square. So area of the shaded region is 308 centimeter square. Next one is 29 or question. A solid sphere of radius 10.5 centimeter is melted and recast. I hope you remember this word I told you all to remember and the technique involved in this one. It is recast into smaller solid cone. So whenever you see melted and recast, here you don't see any other factor given for volume or area, but they have melted and recast into small cones. We have to find the number of cones. Cone radius is 3.5 and height is 3 centimeter. So melted recast take way directly to volume formula. So here sphere, two figures are sphere and cone. Sphere given as radius are 10.5 and cone is 3.5 here. So number of cones. One more trick, if number of cones that will go in denominator, that will be volume of cones, which is a big figure, volume of sphere which has been melted and recast. So don't do it separately, then divide it. See, we have at least pi will get cancelled in this, divided by 1 by 3 pi r square h. 3 and 3 cancel, pi and pi cancel. Do not cancel r because we have seen the r is different here. So we will substitute here 4 into 10.5 into 10.5 into 10.5 divided by r square. 3.5 into 3.5 into 3. So cancel, this will go 3.5 one time, 3 time, 1 time, 3 time, 3 and 3 cancel. So we get here 12, 4 into 3, 12 into 10.5. So we get final answer 12 into 10.5, 126 cones. So the number of cones which are formed after melting and recasting are 126 numbers.